gold across the stone. Another day, another unknown. The frost still clings to ancient ground, yet every step's a sacred sound. The northern wind has learned my name, calling softly through the rain. It speaks of valleys yet unseen, of endless skies and evergreen. I've left behind the smoke and flame. The ghosts no longer call my name. Ahead the mountains touch the light, drawing me into the white. No compass carved from mortal hands can chart the pull of distant lands. The stars have always known the way. I simply choose to trust the gaze. Northbound, where the cold winds sing. Northbound, where the ravens wing. Through thunder skies and falling snow, the farther on, the more I know. No change remain, no fear to hide, only the north to be my guide. Northbound, beyond the dawn, northbound, forever drawn. Silver rivers carve the earth, flowing since the world's first birth. Every current, every bend knows that all roads never end. The pines stand tall through storm and frost, never counting what they've lost. Their roots hold fast beneath the stone, teaching strength has quietly grown. The old gods speak through mountain air, not with words but presence there. Every breath becomes a prayer, every mile a vow to bear. Feel the rub of the land, older than the works of man. Every heartbeat, every stride, move with the ancient northern tide. Northbound, where the cold winds sing. Northbound, where the ravens wing. Past forgotten kings and walls, toward the place the wild heart calls. No crown awaits beyond the sky, only freedom standing high. Forever free, calling me. If tomorrow never comes, then today was enough. If the storm should take my voice, the wind will finish my song. The mountains will